Hey Safr Riders, it's Kelly here with a tutorial on taking a scheduled ride. Press the calendar icon at the bottom of the screen to select the day and time of your ride, and hit the Schedule Now button. Then press Ride, enter your pickup and drop-off locations, and hit Done. You can also change the location by tapping on its address and moving its pin on the map. The app will show you the estimated fare. Press Schedule Ride. Hit OK. We will notify you as soon as a driver becomes interested in your ride. You can open the app menu, press My Rides, and then Scheduled Rides to view the name of the driver in the ride status. If you wish to change the schedule or the pickup location or destination for your ride, you can press Edit Time or Edit Location. You can also hit the Cancel Ride button if you wish to cancel your ride. We will start processing your scheduled ride sometime before the pickup time to help ensure the driver gets to your location on time. We will also let you know when your driver is on the way to pick you up. When a driver accepts your ride request, you have the option to cancel it. You can also contact your driver by clicking on the call or message icon while they are on their way to pick you up. When the driver arrives at your pickup location, colors will be randomly assigned to both of you. Tell your color to the driver and ask them for their color. Then press Select Driver's Color. Tap on the driver's color. Matching colors before getting into the car will help make sure you're going with the correct driver. Enjoy your Safr ride. If you need a mobile phone charger or have any preferences for music or temperature, talk to the driver or press the relevant button in the remote. In case of any emergency, press the safety button to contact the police, Safr, or your predefined emergency contacts. You can also request the driver to end ride at any time. When you reach your destination, the app will show you the invoice for your ride, and your card will be charged for it. Rate your driver, tip them as you like, and share your experience on Facebook. Ride on!